After traveling for nearly 10 months, Phoenix lands on May 25, 2008, near the North Polar Cap of Mars. Protected by a heat shield, the spacecraft enters the Martian atmosphere. The friction slows it down. A parachute is deployed. This slows the spacecraft down even more. Heat protection is not needed, so the shield is ejected. The lander's legs are deployed. As Phoenix falls, the onboard radar system monitors the distance to the surface. The parachute and the rest of the shell separate from the lander. With 1 kilometer to go, the engines fire up. Phoenix slows down, positions itself for landing, and then touches down on the ground safely. After Phoenix lands, it takes about 15 minutes for its signal from Mars to reach Earth. Meanwhile, the 2 solar arrays are deployed. The surface stereo imager camera awakens. It is the mission's eyes, capturing panoramic images of the landing site. Sensors on the weather mast can start measuring pressure, temperature, and wind speed. They are part of the Canadian Met Station studying local weather and climate. When the 2.35-meter robotic arm reaches out to the terrain near the lander, it begins to dig. Previous Mars missions have shown that water may have flowed on Mars billions of years ago. Satellites orbiting the planet have also seen evidence of permafrost ice near the poles. Phoenix is investigating these discoveries. The robotic arm lifts up samples to be analyzed on board by a chemistry set, or the Thermal and Evolved Gas Analyzer. The soil's water content and composition are recorded. The Canadian Met Station also has a light detection and ranging instrument, or LiDAR. The beam shoots up into the sky to study clouds, fog, and dust in the lower atmosphere.